MCP is an emerging open protocol focused on making AI assistants' interaction with external data simpler and more standardized. It's gaining significant attention in AI communities. PingBell is a cloud-based platform that delivers real-time push notifications to your devices whenever key events occur on your website or app, such as new order, form submission, or payment. It helps keep your team informed and motivated by providing instant alerts with customizable sounds and messages. With viaSocket, you can quickly and easily connect PingBell MCP without any coding. In this tutorial, we will show you how, with the help of Cursor AI Assistant, you can manage and update your task in Todoist and notify your team via PingBell. Let's begin by logging and navigating to your workspace dashboard. Select the desired workspace and click on MCP Server. Click on Create New to generate a secure MCP endpoint. Give the desired name to your MCP. Once created, your unique MCP URL will be displayed. Now choose the action you want your AI assistant to perform. Here I am selecting Todoist app's action update task on Todoist. Click on Add Connection. Fill in the configuration details and test the setup to ensure everything is working as expected. In the same manner, configure the PingBell action. Notify PingBell. To connect to PingBell, you need an auth key. To get the auth key, go to Settings dashboard of PingBell and copy the key. Paste the copied auth key and establish the connection. After successfully configuring both actions, go to the Connect tab. And now select your AI assistant from the available option. In this case, I chose Cursor. Then copy the JSON code. Now go to Cursor, open the Cursor settings and choose MCP Tools and click on Custom MCP and paste your copied JSON code. Now you can call the tool from your AI. Open the Cursor chat using shortcut Command L and choose the agent from the given option. Now give the simple prompt like update the status of task from start to complete and notify my team on PingBell. Click on the Run MCP tool to perform this action. Your task has been updated in Todoist and your team has received the notification on PingBell. See how easy it is. Connect it now and let your AI do work for you in a simple, fast and hassle-free way. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more automation tutorials.